Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Deals Today. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best juicers that are making waves right now. I'll walk you through each one, highlighting the key features, what makes them great, and a few things you should know before buying. Whether you're shopping on a budget or looking for premium options, I've got you covered. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Number 1. Cold Pressed Juicer, Metallic Silver, 5.8-inch wide feed chute, 400W. This metallic silver cold-pressed juicer looks as good as it works. With its generous 5.8-inch wide feed chute, you can toss in whole apples, carrots, or even a bunch of kale without chopping them into tiny pieces. Powered by a 400W motor, it slowly masticates your fruits and veggies to squeeze out every drop of juice while keeping nutrients intact. It's a perfect choice for anyone who values both style and performance in their kitchen appliances. Pros: large feed chute saves you cutting time. Quiet operation compared to most juicers. Cons: can take a bit longer to fully extract juice. Compared to centrifugal models. If you're looking for a sleek, high-yield juicer for everyday health drinks, this is a solid choice. Number 2. TUUMIIST Cold Pressed Juicer, Black, 5.3-inch feed chute, BPA-Free. The TUUMIIST Cold Pressed Juicer is all about convenience. Its 5.3-inch extra-large chute means you can fit most fruits and vegetables in whole, cutting down on prep time. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for the whole family, and it's easy to take apart for cleaning. Plus, the slow masticating technology helps reduce oxidation, so your juice stays fresh for longer. This is the kind of machine that makes juicing less of a chore and more of a daily habit. Pros: super easy to clean. Minimal oxidation, so your juice stays fresh longer. Cons: a little bulky if you have limited counter space. I'd call this the family-friendly juicer. Less prep, more juice, and simple cleanup. Number 3. Cold Pressed Juicer, Black, 5.4-inch feed chute, professional grade. If you're serious about juicing, this professional-grade cold-pressed juicer will have you smiling. With a 5.4-inch chute, it's built to handle both soft fruits like berries and tougher veggies like beets without breaking a sweat. The high juice yield means you get the most out of your produce, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. It's a bit heavier than most home juicers, but that solid build also means it's made to last for years. Pros: works well with both soft and hard produce. High-quality build feels durable. Cons: slightly heavier than most home juicers. This one's perfect if you want a solid, long-term investment for your kitchen. Number 4. Elite Gourmet ETS 623 Electric Citrus Juicer, Black/Stainless Steel. This compact citrus juicer is a dream for orange juice lovers. With a 24-ounce capacity and an easy pour spout, it's perfect for making a big glass or a pitcher of juice in just a few minutes. The pulp control lets you adjust your juice texture from smooth to pulpy, so everyone in the family gets it just the way they like. It's great for oranges, lemons, limes, and even grapefruits, but keep in mind, it's designed for citrus only, so no leafy greens here. Pros: simple and quick for citrus lovers. Adjustable pulp control for your preferred texture. Cons: limited to citrus fruits only. If fresh orange juice in the morning is your thing, this little guy will make you happy. Number 5. QCen 500W Centrifugal Juicer, Stainless Steel, 3-inch feed chute. The QCen Centrifugal Juicer is built for speed. With a 500W motor and a 3-inch feed chute, it can whip up a glass of juice in under a minute. Perfect for busy mornings. The stainless steel design gives it a modern look and makes it durable for everyday use. While it's a bit noisier than slow juicers, the trade-off is lightning-fast extraction. If you value speed and efficiency over slow cold pressing, this might just be your new kitchen hero. Pros: very fast juice extraction. Sturdy and long-lasting design. Cons: can be a bit noisy during operation. Best for busy mornings when you just want your juice in under a minute. So, that was our top 5 best juicers list for today. You'll find all the product links in the description box below. Check them out if you're interested. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. See you in the next one.